Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Wi-Fi mesh network systems that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro AC1200. This system boasts cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, which promises up to 2 times faster speeds than traditional Wi-Fi 6 networks. With 3 mesh routers, it covers up to 6,600 square feet, making it a strong contender for larger homes or offices. Its tri-band setup includes the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the new 6 GHz band, ensuring robust performance even in high-demand scenarios like gaming or video calls. The system also features self-monitoring capabilities, diagnosing and fixing common network issues automatically, perfect for those who prefer a hassle-free experience. In terms of design, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro sports a clean, minimalist aesthetic, blending seamlessly into modern home decor. Each unit is compact yet sturdy, but the combined weight of 6.23 pounds might be a consideration for those looking for lightweight solutions. Performance-wise, prioritization of video calls and web browsing ensures consistent speeds, even at the edges of your network's coverage. However, it isn't backward compatible with previous Google Wi-Fi or Nest Wi-Fi models, which is a downside for users looking to expand older setups. While priced at $352, it delivers solid value for tech-savvy users who want next-gen Wi-Fi 6E functionality and reliable security features like secure booting and ongoing software updates. However, the lack of compatibility with earlier generations and slightly lower customer rating of 4.0 stars compared to others on this list suggests this might not be the perfect choice for everyone. Ideal for medium to large homes that require fast, stable connectivity across multiple devices and advanced security. At number 4, we have the TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. This product is a fantastic mid-range option for those looking to eliminate dead zones and buffering throughout their household. Covering up to 6,500 square feet, this Wi-Fi 6-enabled system delivers next-gen speeds with 3x3 6-stream technology, supporting up to 150 connected devices without compromising its performance. It also includes TP-Link's Home Shield cybersecurity suite, offering parental controls, network security, and QoS features that are crucial for modern users. The Deco X55's design is sleek and compact, with each unit featuring 3 gigabit Ethernet ports for wired backhaul support. This makes it perfect for users who want to maximize wired connections for gaming consoles, smart TVs, or desktop PCs. The AI-driven mesh technology learns and adapts to your unique network environment, ensuring optimal speeds as you move through your home. The setup is straightforward thanks to the intuitive Deco app, and the units themselves are lightweight and easy to position. Priced at $169.99, the Deco X55 strikes an excellent balance between affordability and performance. It's ideal for larger homes or households with many smart devices. However, its lack of tri-band support means it might not be the best option for ultra-high-demand scenarios like simultaneous gaming and 4K streaming. Overall, it's a reliable choice for users seeking Wi-Fi 6 performance without breaking the bank. Taking the third spot is the Google Wi-Fi AC1200 mesh Wi-Fi system. Known for its simplicity and reliability, this system provides seamless coverage for homes up to 4,500 square feet with its 3-pack configuration. While it uses older AC1200 technology compared to newer Wi-Fi 6 systems, its dual-band architecture is still capable of delivering stable and fast connectivity across multiple devices. It's particularly well-suited for casual users who prioritize ease of use over cutting-edge speeds. Design-wise, Google keeps things stylish and minimalist with compact cylindrical units that can be discreetly placed anywhere in your home. Setup is a breeze with the Google Home app, which provides step-by-step instructions and allows you to manage your network effortlessly. Parental controls are a standout feature here, enabling users to pause Wi-Fi access for specific devices, a lifesaver for families with kids. Priced at $148.99, it's a budget-friendly option for moderate internet users. However, its coverage and speed limitations might not suffice for larger homes or households with high bandwidth demands. If you're looking for simplicity and reliability and don't need the latest Wi-Fi 6 or 6E technology, Google Wi-Fi is a great pick for small to medium-sized homes. At number 2, we have the TP-Link Deco S4 Mesh AC1200 Wi-Fi system, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price of $89.99, the Deco S4 delivers impressive features, including coverage for up to 5,500 square feet and seamless roaming with a single network name and password. It supports up to 100 devices, making it a solid choice for smaller households or apartments. The built-in parental controls allow you to restrict access to certain websites and limit online time, giving you peace of mind when it comes to kids' internet usage. The units themselves are compact and lightweight, making them easy to place throughout your home. Each Deco S4 includes 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for wired connections, and the system works with Alexa for convenient voice control. While it's not as fast as Wi-Fi 6 systems, its AC1200 speeds are adequate for streaming, browsing, and light gaming. Setup is straightforward with the Deco app, and the system integrates seamlessly with most internet service providers. This budget option is ideal for users who want basic mesh Wi-Fi functionality without spending a fortune. However, its performance may not meet the demands of larger households or those with heavy internet usage. If you're on a tight budget and need reliable, no-frills coverage, the Deco S4 is an excellent choice. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the TP-Link Deco BE63 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 Mesh System. This premium product is designed for users who demand the absolute best in speed and coverage. With cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology, it delivers mind-blowing speeds of up to 10 Gbps across its tri-band setup, perfect for gaming, 4K streaming, and smart home integration. Covering up to 7,600 square feet, this 3-pack system is capable of supporting over 200 devices simultaneously, making it ideal for large homes or offices. Its design is sleek yet robust, with 4 2.5G WAN LAN ports and a USB 3.0 port for wired backhaul and future-proof connectivity. The AI-driven mesh adapts to your movement throughout the home, ensuring seamless roaming with optimal speeds. Advanced security features like VPN support and TP-Link Home Shield provide comprehensive protection for your network and IoT devices. Setup is simple with the Deco app, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience. At $499.99, the Deco BE63 is undoubtedly an investment, but the performance, reliability, and future-ready features justify the price tag. It's the ultimate choice for tech enthusiasts and power users who want the best of the best. The only downside is its higher cost, but if you're looking for top-notch performance, this system is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.